So we are ready for Halloween Horror Nights tonight. It is currently 25 minutes past 4, and we're going to head to Sapphire Falls. We're either going to get the water taxi, or we're going to probably get the water taxi because Adam's not feeling too well. Probably scared about the horror coming up. I keep reminding him that everything's fake so he doesn't have to worry, but he's not going to stop worrying, to be honest. I look crazy. I've got these two nice earrings with blood on them. And my Halloween top that I got from Universal Studios. I cannot wait. And Adam is wearing his, what's the pumpkin called?
Little Boo.
Little Boo. It's very nice. Nice what he's wearing.
Little Poo and Little
Little
Boo.
Poo.
We need a big poo.
Lovely. Yeah, so we're on our way now. Very excited. When the holding area, kind of where, what's that ride called?
Rip Ride Rocket.
Rip Ride Rocket. And where Hell Block Horror is. So we're pretty much there in the queue behind where Adam is now. We literally just did Hell Block Horror, as you saw straight away, because we was in the queue for it. And then we did Halloween, which it said originally 45 minutes because we got on about 20 past 5 originally, but the wait time was, oh god, at least an hour. Like, no kidding, at least an hour minimum. We got on though. It was really amazing theming and everything. It was the original John Carpenter's Halloween, not the reboot, well the second reboot should I say, and it was really awesome. And then we got on, but we kind of missed the first like kind of half of it because the scares were going for the first people, which sucked a little bit, I'm not going to lie. I was a bit disappointed with it, but then it got to the mirror section and I totally rolled a D1 on the mirror bit. I rolled the D1 on perception, should I say, in the mirror scene. So I confused the hell of it. I knew one of them was going to be fake, Michael Myers, but yeah, there was a lot, and I had no idea, and then it scared the absolute shit out of me because it came out of nowhere. Adam, what did you think about it?
I thought it was good, yeah. We missed a few scares, which I'm glad of because...
yeah, you're glad of.
For obvious reasons.
Yeah.
We are currently walking down...
No idea.
Like the San Francisco, New York section. And we're going to go to the back of the park. We might do Men in Black. We missed that.
Yeah, we missed that last time we came to Universal Studios. So we could try and do that, or we could try and see whatever. Well,
there's a little show up here, I think, so we could... Okay. We might be showing you something sooner rather than later.
It's queue for Blumhouse. Well, we got a drink first. I paid like $16 for one of the cups. I'll get it out. $16. It's alright. Oh yeah, it lights up. Yeah, so it's $16 and then I can refill it for $11. Kind of like the Fat Tuesday cup that I got. So we just queued for the Blumhouse.
What did you think of your drink first?
Yeah, it was really nice. I got the
blue Caracao.
Yeah, one of that. Yeah, so we went queued for the Blumhouse. It said 25 minutes. I think it was a bit shorter than that, to be fair.
Yeah.
It was okay. I mean, it was longer than the Halloween one because it's like two houses in one. The first one was Freaky, the second one was Black Phone. The first one was okay. It was I love the music. I was just like raving away to the first one because the music was awesome.
You pathetic coward.
And then the second one, Black Phone. No, I mean, yeah. It was okay.
I liked it because I've recently watched that film, so
you understood it.
I related to it.
Yeah.
Thing, but
and you saw like kind of different scenes of the film.
We missed a few scares again, but we did get the second half was better than the first again. So I don't mind because I think they progressively get scarier. So in what the last two houses we've done. So
yeah. So this is the first scare zone we come across. It's kind of outside Harry Potter World.
exalted titans, my royal pillagers of darkness, be faithful unto me. Let the bloodletting commence! With magic right, my hellish hounds, through the power of this blood, forever bound. The night of harvest is upon us. Let us together bask in the glory of our customs. Drink, my devoted minions, drink!
Captain Morgan.
So we just went on Gringotts, Escape from Gringotts in Harry Potter World. It was really good. I actually enjoyed it more than last time when we went to the... well, my face is really zoomed in. I actually enjoyed it more than when we actually went to the Harry Potter World and did it from there. So now we've just gone to one of the booths and we've got a buggy corn dog with cheese thing, bug corn dog cheese. Maggot, that was it. And I also got a gold juice, which is actually really nice, full of orange and full of ice, whatever. Yeah, there it is. And that is the corn dog booth. Eat food. Go on, try it. Is it good?
Yeah.
I will no longer rest in the shadows. I have taken root and will now accept your praise. I am the Pumpkin Lord.
So I've just tried the Good Guys burger.
You got it all over your face.
Actually, it's incredible. I really like it. It's very weird, very sweet at the same time, a bit of hot, and the beef really comes through, and so does the cheese. It's delicious. Just about survived the single riders on Rip Ride Rocket. Again, hope it's better than last time. So since last time speaking, I had my Good Guys burger, and then we tried to get onto the show we said we was going to on, but it literally closed. We weren't too far from getting on, but it closed.
People said they were queuing for 45 minutes, so...
Yeah, so we have literally got a minute to get there now, and to get there 45 minutes before it actually comes on. So we're going to do that, but I did go on the Rip Ride Rocket, and last time I didn't give it a very good rating because I wasn't feeling too well, and my neck was really sore, so I didn't enjoy it that much. I just rode it then, whatever, on single rider line, and I really bloody enjoyed it. It was fantastic. I don't know if it's better at night or whatever, but it was really good. I really enjoyed it. And we're just on our way now to go to the show, and hopefully we do get on this time. We are 45 minutes early.
I just had some funnel fries. They were $9.99 plus tax. They were okay. They're a bit like a churro donut with like crab stuff on them. Different, I know, but they tasted quite nice.
So we are back from Universal Studios Halloween Horror Nights. It has been fantastic. It's now 12:05. We ended up getting the water taxi back. It's been really eventful, really awesome. That show was absolutely incredible.
It was amazing.
Everything's incredible. I say incredible all the time. Nightmare Fuel 2. Yeah, it was really good. All the women are really good dancers. And the men also are okay.
Ben was very excited about two men getting dragged in on leashes.
Don't want everything he wants, and I know you.
It was okay. I was already a bit excited for them.
I just ordered myself 2 dog leads on Amazon.
Yeah, it was really fun, really good. Don't know how much footage we got. Not much talking either, to be fair.
You weren't allowed to film in the You
Yeah.
weren't allowed to film in the houses or at the show, so
I'll try and get
we'll
some.
put some clips in and
Yeah.
things like that.
Okay.
So remember
jump in
to like the video.
Yeah. And subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when we do post.
And let us know what's been your favourite Halloween Horror Nights house.
If you did go, obviously. Or if you've just seen clips, just tell us which one your favourite was.